Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you create your own community on Amino. Now to create your own community on Amino, simply open Amino on the device and make sure that you are logged into your Amino account. Now this is the homepage of Amino, where you will see various options like discover, communities, chats, me option, which is also known as a profile option. Now to create a community on your Amino account, simply click on the community option, which is at the second on the bottom taskbar. Now there you will see the option of create your own. Now to create your own community, you need to select the types which are given below, like internet friends, real world friends, role play, internet community, and so on. Now simply choose the type you want to have. There you will see the option like create and so on. Simply click on the option you want to have. To create the community, you need to simply download Amino Community Manager. Simply click on get ACM, click on install, and wait to get installed on the device. After the installation process, simply click on open, log in with the Amino, into your email address and into the password of your account. Click on login. Now simply click on start to start your first community. Now you will enter the name of your community. You need to give one liner to describe your community. You may change the language to English or simply choose the language which you want to have. You can save. Now simply click on next to continue. Now simply click on continue. Now add your community icon. To add a community icon, you need to give ACM to access photo and media on a device. Now you may pinch to adjust it. Simply click on done at the very top right. Now you may change the theme color if you want, and simply click on next to continue. Now confirm your community privacy, which means you can keep it on private, open, or everybody required. Simply choose the option which you want to have and simply click on next to continue. Now you need to agree to the terms and agreement. Simply click on agree and create. Now it may take some time to create your first community on Amino. Wait to get ready. So that's it. That's how you can create your community on Amino. Now to invite your friends, simply click on invite friend option. Now you may allow ACM to access your contact if you want. Now simply choose the friend you want to invite and simply click on send invites. So that's it. That's how you can create community on Amino. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.